Hello, dear viewers. Welcome to this live stream. The name of the stream is Forex Trading with Rakesh, and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, that is Dukas Copy Webinars. Thank you very much for joining us here today. We are doing this webinar on 28th of August 2023. This is the first trading day of the week, and it's Monday. I'm Dukas Copy's trading community member. You might be thinking that I'm employee of Dukas Copy Bank, but believe me, I am not an employee of Dukas Copy Bank. Therefore, whatever trading ideas, opinions, or whatever I'm saying in this webinar, it has nothing to do with the Dukas Copy Bank. Every idea and opinion is my own. It has nothing to do with the bank. Okay. And what we are going to do here is that we will be looking at few currency pairs, also a few commodities, and we will draw the key levels of importance based on the price action, based on the previous price action. And these key levels are very carefully drawn, and because they are my levels, so I believe them. They tend to be observed most of the times in the market, and the idea is to analyze the market and draw the key levels so that we can use those key levels in our trading setups, and we will also use those key levels to achieve maximum profits and the minimum risk that can happen in a trade. Since as a technical analyst, I know that every piece of information or news is already priced into the chart, so I will skip talking about anything that is fundamental in nature, and I'll focus only on the charts for our analysis purpose. My request to you is that please ask questions if you have any doubt in whatever I am talking about, and if there is no doubt, then we can carry on with the next one. And at the end of the session, since I will be answering the questions from the viewers, so please feel free to ask any questions that you have. And before I start the session, I also want to inform you that everything that I say in this webinar is only for information or in knowledge purpose. It should not be taken as a trading advice. You should do your own research before you put your money on the line. Without further ado, let me take you to the charts. But before that, there is something that is very important, which is to show you the risk disclaimer. All right, so here comes the J4X daily chart. This is the US dollar index chart, guys. This is the US dollar index chart. Here we can see that in the long run, the US dollar is going to the downside, and just now it has retraced back almost to the same level of this swing. Now this swing, which is at 104.59 area, seems like right now that this area is getting respected, and that also from the 24th of August candle, it looks like there is a buying in this zone, and after that, whatever was the rejection on top has also been bought back at 103.65 level. So that means now 103.65 is the crucial level. If that breaks, then all these buyers who bought on this candle, they will be out and the market can turn negative. So for us, we will be keeping 103.65 as our crucial level of support, and on the higher side we will be looking at 104.59 as the crucial resistance. So the market is still in an uptrend. If the price breaks below 103.65, this market will turn into a downtrending market. Okay, similar is the case with the euro. We have seen some buying emerging at the channel's test, at the test of this channel, but we cannot buy this market until and unless we see a higher high. I must tell you that this was the low that the price had made, then it made a high again here, and then it made a low. So now this one you can bring it to here, 1.0876. Till the time the price is trading below 1.0876, we cannot be looking for buying this market. On the contrary, we are looking for something like this. the price going here, then getting rejected again to the lows, and then multiple lows in the series further. This is what we are expecting. Okay, like this. But anyways, right now it seems like price is gaining some green pips from this multiple support. This is also actually a confluence of support. One is this channel support line, one is this horizontal level. So yes, this is a good level of support, but we also have a good level of resistance close to 1.0876 area. So let's see how the things unfold when the price reaches there. Pound dollar after closing below 1.2614 level is facing resistance at these levels, and I think this is very weak. This is very weak. In fact, now this is now support for you 1.2547. The break of 1.2547 will open the way to 1.2486, and now the resistance has shifted to this level, that is 1.2653. So the price will be, I think, rotating between these two areas before it breaks lower, which most likely it should happen. It should go to the lower side, but we have also noticed that the dollar index may be falling very soon because of the resistance around 104.59 area. The dollar index is what I am talking about here. We are expecting the dollar index to fall from here. So if that starts falling from here, then expect the pound to rise from around 1.2486 level. Okay, so now the level of resistance is 1.2653. The level of support is 1.2547. Australian dollar, finally some support seems like it is taking at the lower levels, but still the level of resistance is 0.6487 and the support is 0.6364. Nothing new here. For New Zealand dollar, it seems like it is getting short supply of buyers, so therefore there is a possibility of 0.5896. In fact, not 0.5896, but this low here, 0.5885, may be broken very soon for the targeting lower 0.5842 and even 0.5656 in this market. It looks like the strong dollar is putting more and more pressure on the Kiwi here. On the upside, we have resistance at 0.5984. Strong dollar is trying to bang on the ceiling of 146.63. Today the price has seen a higher high than this, but on the 4 hours it is getting rejected at the higher prices. Look at the previous green candle, it is getting rejected at the higher prices. Now if this price 146.63 holds as a good resistance, then 144.53 will be exposed in this chart, but that too only below this level of 146.27. If the price trades below 146.27, then it can be a sad thing for the US dollar against the yen on the 4-hour chart. USD CAD finally, I think on Friday and Saturday moved into the resistance zone, then came back, and now it's trying to find some support. Well guys, for me, if the price meets 136.1.3654, it may not stop there. I mean, it may not sorry, my bad, it may not continue further, because this is a strong resistance. This is a strong resistance in the past and support. So 1.3654, I am expecting it to reject the price to the downside at least till 1.3461 region. Benny is saying hello. Hello Benny, welcome to the stream. So talking about USD CHF, okay, here you see 8819 was the resistance, and when that crucial resistance is broken with the Maru Bozu, now that level is trying to act as a support. Now this is showing that there is a buying this area. Yeah, when it is showing that there is a buying in this area, but will you buy this area? There is buying, yes, but there may be a bull trap here, because in the longer run this area is a area for the sellers. Either the price has to go higher from here, then only I will buy, like you should be buying this market if the price comes like this, okay, and then buy here. Right now buying below the resistance is foolishness, so just don't do that, okay. And also you can draw a counter trending channel if you want by joining the recent lows that the price has made, and then joining the recent highs that price has made. Once the price clears this channel to the downside, you can be sure of selling this market. If the price is staying above this channel, you should not be looking for selling. And if you really want to buy, then you need to know that the price has to go above 0.9147 for you to become buyers. All right. Silver 2525 is the target for us. This is a small consolidation. You can compare it with this, something like this, okay. This is called a flag. The price will go something like this, and then something like this will happen. So you see here the price was going something like this, and then this has happened. Can you compare it with the flag and the pole, just like this one? So yes, if you can compare this with the flag and pole, then what happens? The price tends to come out of this flag to in the direction of the preceding trend, and then moves equal to the length of the pole. So what was the length of the pole from breakout? It was approximately 218 points. So approximately 218 points is around very far, okay, around 26.50. So these are the potential targets. 26.12 is the resistance. So expect something like that. All right. For you, support is around 23.78 to 24.03 in this market. Gold has finally found the support around 1903 area. This is 15 minutes chart, guys. I'm putting you on daily so that you can witness what is happening. So you can see after this move higher, this 1903 level acted as a support, and now the price is headed towards 1917. This may continue till 1946, where I am looking at a strong resistance, and even it can continue till 1987. Look at this wedge which has broken out, but this has been a very good support and resistance in the past, so expect some rejection at this area, okay, 1946 area. If you are long, you should be looking for buying it back around 1946 area. Brent, the breakout has not happened, and after breakout this candle is also not looking very good. So I will say there is a possibility of the price coming back to 83.03 again. And till the time the price is trading below 85.82, you should not be looking for buying this market, because in the market structure point of view, this market is still in a seller zone till the time 85.82 is not taken out in this market. Okay. So if you are seller, what are you targeting next, my friend? You should be targeting these areas of 81.94 and 81.71 and even 80.91. So what is the resistance on the higher side? 85.82 is the resistance for the Brent. This is where you should be planning your trades. Now Bitcoin is consolidating a lot. It may be a consolidation before move up or low, we don't know yet. But yes, we have seen that the ranges tried to expand, but it was curtailed, and now the range is very small for the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is moving from 26,778 to 25,336. So it is a very small range when we compare the Bitcoin with the other currencies, other cryptos. Right now Bitcoin is moving in a very small range. On the lower side we have 24,766 as the support, and on the higher side we have 28,549 as the support, sorry, resistance. Nothing new has come up in this region, so we will stay away from this market. And although I'm expecting an up move here for sellers to jump in at the right level of resistance, which will be, I think, this channel. So let's see how the things unfold in the Bitcoin. Most of the times the Ethereum is also the similar case most of the times, and that is what is happening. It looks like the Ethereum is trying to take some support at the channel and the confluence of support here. On the upside, this channel's falling channel should be acting as a resistance. The horizontal level of resistance is around 1797 area. Euro in the longer run, it is a buying market, but right now the price has just pierced below this low, which was a higher low. If that is taken out, so we are looking for a lower high, and we are expecting the price to come back to 1.8081 area, where we are looking for buying this market again. Nothing much. Keep an eye on 1.8147 and 8081. On the higher side, look at 1.8461. Right here also Euro already is actually making some small move lower, but I think as soon as the Euro will reach this neckline, this should become your buying, because Euro already in the longer run is going to rise, I think, because it has broken through this inverse head and shoulder pattern, and now neckline may be tested very soon in this one. In that case, we will still be targeting 1.7385, but this will be your support area. Guys, if you are vibing around and you like these type of webinars, you want to know about the crucial level of support and resistance from where the potential price can reverse, please feel free to subscribe to this channel. You can also smash that like button which is below the video. It helps me a lot when you do it. All right, Australian dollar against the New Zealand dollar. Yesterday there was a good candle, and even today there was a good there is a good candle. It looks like finally Australian dollar has started moving up against the New Zealand dollar, or we can say that now New Zealand dollar is in a mm, in a bad position, in a worse position than the Australian dollar against the US. So maybe that's why this is appreciating. Now my friend was asking, will it be counted as a double bottom? Here double bottom, it will be counted, friend, if the price breaks above 1.0925, which is what we are expecting. We are expecting an up move in the Australian dollar against the New Zealand that will open the way to 1.1052 and even further higher. Right now the price has a support of 1.0833 and the resistance around 1.0925. Pound against the Australian dollar, some small move here. It looks like something is supporting the price here, but believe me, in my mind I want the price to break below 1.9489 so that I can sell this market. On okay guys, on the upside now we have resistance at 1.9711 and support around 1.9489, below which we have the next support around 1.9367. US 30, okay, the price came inside this and now finally has gone out of it. Now I don't think that the price will come back to give us another buying opportunity, so this channel will change like this. Got you. All right, got you. What, pound? Yes, I'm looking to sell this. Okay, US 30, I don't think now it is coming back. And see where it has taken the support. It has taken the support at this channel's, sorry, this triangle's trend line, and there are sufficient volumes to push the prices higher now. Expect some resistance at around, damn, it took me out though and didn't enter again. It's okay, Benny, it's okay, not a problem. 34,921. See, you have another opportunity every day. Don't worry, just don't risk more than 1%. That should be a target. You can enter the markets every day. Every day they give you opportunities, but if you don't live for the next day, then it is very sad when you're sitting on the sidelines because you don't have money, you have blown up your account. Don't do that. Okay, risk only 1%, and here there is a potential now. So for me, 34,921 area is a crucial area where I am expecting some resistance, and on the downside, if the price starts going to the downside, I think this channel will keep supporting the price. So 34,317 area should be an area of entry. Yeah, here somewhere here, although it has not become a buy in the daily, When will it become a buy in the daily? Look at here. The price was making lower highs and lower lows, right? Like this. When this lower high is taken out, then you should be looking for a buying opportunity. If something like this happens, then you should be buying this market. Okay, in that case you will have this low like this, and this should be your area of entry, something like this. Right now don't enter, just stay away, just stay away from this market. Or maybe on the 4 hour it has already given you a buying entry, because on the lower time frames it happens first in the lower time frames. So you see here it gave you a buying entry. It made a lower high and lower low, then it made a lower high and lower low. Even between these two lows, this was the highest high. This has been taken out. After this is taken out, it became a support and the price is now rising. So for you, I think if the price trades above 1.34680, gives a close higher around 34,921, then the price comes back to this area. You should be seeing this area as a buying opportunity. Okay. What can be your target? Your first target will be 34,921, second will be 35,213, something like that. CAD JPY, nothing is happening in CAD JPY. It is at the same level where it was around 21st of July. So from last 1 month, there has not been much movement, and every movement which was there before is slowly and steadily reducing, or you can say dying down. Still, 109.50 on the higher side and 104.24 on the lower side is the support and resistance and support respectively. Also, similar is the case with the CAD CHF. Canadian dollar against the Swiss franc is moving at the same level of 0.6500 and is not depreciating, not even getting appreciated. It is staying at the same levels. GBP CAD, we have high targets around 1.7339, 1.7333 and 9, and 1.7002. This is the level below which I will not be buying this market. And on the higher side, one should look for booking the profits around 1.7333, and if the price goes higher than this and then comes back to this area, then one can re-enter this market with the higher targets. Okay, right now we have not plotted them on our charts, since these are the crucial levels of support and resistance, so keep an eye on this. Then is US Tech, we call it the Nasdaq also. My friend was asking that, Rakesh, now since there is a bearish pin bar, where I should enter? I said that at 50%, that is around 15130 area, should be seen as a very good selling opportunity. So my friends, keep an eye on this area. You may get a selling opportunity very soon around 15130 to 15185. Okay, keep an eye on this market here. Although it was making lower highs and lower lows, and it has finally made here higher high and higher low now. There is a possibility that the market structure has broken. It may make another high here, okay, soon. ODJPY, we are looking for the higher prices. 94.95 is the resistance, but we need a clean price action. You look at this, this is a pin bar, but it is red in color. If this would close green, it will be very helpful. The high of that candle can be seen as a buying stop buy order, and the target can be 94.95. the stop loss can be below the low of this particular candle of today. Euro GBP, finally the move here. Okay, Euro GBP finally is moving higher. That means the euro is getting stronger than the Great Britain pound. Now the next level of resistance seems like 0.8668, but this pin bar of today is also giving me some caution. So if the price starts falling from here, then 0.8565 should be seen as a buying opportunity, and it should be a support. On the contrary, if the price starts rising from here, 0.8668 should be seen as a selling opportunity. Well, that's all from my side, guys. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. And why I am not feeling so good today? I'm feeling a little dizzy. I want to sleep maybe. Guys, Benny, you have any question for me? And guys, if you are around, please smash that like button. If you press that like button, it is really helping me in the YouTube algorithm. It is helping the Dukascopy as a platform. And who are trading with the J Forex? Anybody trading with Dukascopy? And Benny, which broker do you use? Which broker do you use? See, I don't have affiliation with the Dukas Copy Bank, so you don't have to tell that it is Dukas Copy. It can be anybody. Okay, so you are also using the J Forex. That's great. All right, guys, I see that there are no more question. I also sent a few friends who joined through your YouTube link. I also sent a few friends. I also sent a few friends. And I did not understand this. My YouTube link? I don't have any YouTube link. Who joined your? I don't know. What are you talking about? Is there any my YouTube link? You mean my own channel? I sent a few friends who joined through. I sent my friends your YouTube link to JForex. Okay, so that's nice. If somebody joins uh JForex through this YouTube link, I get nothing. Believe me, I get nothing. Check out JForex 3 trading platform, which is there in the description. You mean that link? That gives me nothing. But yes, the Dukas Copy Bank comes to know that somebody joined from my YouTube webinar, and they appreciate it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And they appreciate the just appreciation, not financial appreciation, verbal appreciation, textual appreciation. But that's okay. That's okay. That's nice. So, oh, yes, and they mention your name. Really? They mention my name, but I have no affiliation with Dukas Copy. Okay, okay, okay. I hope that helps me someday or the other, but as of now, nobody knows me in Dukas Copy. Okay, Benny. Benny, why don't you touch base with me on my Skype? Maybe we can talk a bit. Yes, I've made sure of it. Okay. I think that you have done a lot of homework for me, and I'm I'm thankful for. Do you have Skype, Benny? Today I'm in a kind of mood to talk to my friends, but I don't have anybody to talk right now. So I'm switching off this webinar. If anybody would like to talk to me, this is my Skype. You can check me on this, and if you want, you can talk to me. Thank you very much for joining here. If this particular trade, I will maybe tell you. I have downloaded it, but found it a little old school. Okay, then you join me on the Skype, and then later on I will take you to my um other social platforms. Okay, but right now only Skype. If you have downloaded it, then join it and send me a message, and then we will talk. Okay, yeah. Bye bye, take care. I'm waiting for your message.